Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Samir and I'm very excited to review on DJI Mic Mini. So guys, this is my first DJI product which I purchased from Amazon for 16,400 rupees. This comes in a combo pack which has two transmitters and one receiver and one charging case. So I purchased this from India, so that's the reason this box will have this sticker which has 1 year warranty and DJI India mentioned on it. So guys, if you're purchasing this product from India, make sure that this sticker is on. This is for the authenticity of the product. And let's take a look. So this is the DJI official website which is mentioned on the box. And at the back side of the box, there are certain technical specifications and features mentioned. So this is how the box looks. Now let's do the unboxing. The packaging of DJI is absolutely fantastic. As you can see, their product is neatly packed and organized, and when you unbox it, you're really happy to see this premium product. And let's see what you get inside the box. So basically they have given this manual and some stickers, and you get a very nice fabric pouch. So this is also packed very neatly, as you can see from here. So the pouch looks very nice and the fabric quality is excellent, and everywhere it is mentioned DJI. The branding is done very neatly, and even on the zip you can see that it is mentioned DJI over here. Now let's see what accessories do you get along with the microphone. So you get this windscreen, and you get a charging cable along with the audio cable which is used for DSLR, and finally you get this charging case, and I think there is nothing much inside it. So there are two pairs of windscreens given for your transmitters. One is black in color and one is gray in color. So as you can see from here, you can choose whatever suits your style. And I think there is no difference in this windscreen. The plastic quality and the clip quality is very nice, as you can see from here. I would always recommend whenever you shoot outdoors, make sure that you put on this windscreens. And this is the charging cable, which is C-type. And you also get this audio cable for DSLR connectivity. You can connect this to your receiver and the DSLR cameras. And this is the charging case. So let's remove this sticker and let's reveal the product. So this is the transmitters and the receiver. As soon as you open this, it starts blinking and the automatic blinking starts. So see this kind of transmitter, it's absolutely wonderful. So small and it's very lightweight. It is almost 10 grams. So you get two of this, and you get this receiver. And finally you get a C-type adapter which is required to connect to your mobile phone. So this section looks empty. This is for the lightning adapter for Apple devices. You need to purchase it separately, and this section is for holding the cable. Now let's take a look at the receiver. It basically has three lights. Two of them are solid green, that indicates that the transmitters are connected. And let me show you the transmitter. See, it is solid green, and that means it has established the connection. And the other one also will show solid green. So this indicates that both the transmitters are connected successfully. And if you see on the top side, there is a light blinking. That means this particular is waiting for the source. That means you need to connect it to the mobile phone or your computer. And this side is a knob which is used to increase or decrease the gain of the recording. The volume can be controlled. The recording input can be controlled actually. This side you get this audio output jack for the DSLR. This is the link button, and this is for USB charging. And basically this is the receiver which is given, and it can be also mounted on the DSLR. So now let's take a look at the transmitter. The transmitter is very small in size, as you can see, and it is just 10 grams. And it also has this magnet, which is very strong magnet. The strong magnet will not allow this transmitter to fall when you put it on your clothes. And I'm very amazed with this technology. Basically this is very small in size, but the range which is given by DJI, the transmitting range is 400 meters. It's just unbelievable, the technology which they are used. Now this is the windscreen which is given along with this. So basically this is very new for me. So let me see how does it get attached on the top. So I think you just have to put this clip on, and yes, this is very simple to attach. So it's very simple. So guys, basically this is all you get inside DJI Mic Mini package. Now guys, I will show you the range of this microphone and the audio clarity. So keep watching this video. Hi friends, this is Samir. Welcome to my channel Gadget Premi. Today I'm going to review the DJI Mic Mini, the newly launched microphone from DJI. Now currently I'm on my building's terrace, which is approximately 15 to 20 meters in length, as you can see now. And I have put on the transmitter of DJI Mic Mini with the windscreen attached to it. I'm shooting from Samsung Galaxy Ultra with the receiver which is connected on the phone, and currently the mode which I'm using is mono mode without the noise cancellation. So this is absolutely a raw video without any editing done. So I'm going to take a walk now. So when I'm turning my back, the voice should not get disconnected. Ideally you should be in the line of sight. And DJI has claimed that it is giving a range of 400 meters on this mic, which is more than DJI 2, basically DJI Mic 2. So this is now the end of the terrace, and if you can see the voice, if you can hear the voice quality, please comment on this, guys. So I'm going to take a walk now. So this is without the noise cancellation. There is a bit slight breeze on the terrace, but because of the windscreen attached, you might not notice it, but this is without noise cancellation. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the noise cancellation, so to check out the difference between the noise cancellation and without noise cancellation. So I'm going to turn on the noise cancellation by clicking on the power button. Yeah, now the yellow light has turned on, the noise cancellation mode is on. So tell me guys, how do you hear the voice now? Is it better than before? The quality of this mic is absolutely fantastic because basically it's a renowned brand, it's DJI. So for those who do not want to compromise on audio quality, can go for this microphone. This is budget friendly, and basically for the new YouTubers, it's always better to have a good quality mic, because no matter what videos you make, the audio quality is very important. So this is how the mic works. And if you keep on stereo mode, there is a feature in DJI application which is installed on the phone that you can record on left and right channel, because basically you get two receivers. One receiver is where you can record on left channel. The other receiver can be used for right channel. This is used when you are doing an interview with the person, and if you would like to do some editing on the different channels. So both the mics are getting recorded on different channels, so which later on can be mixed and edited, and you can put it in the mono mode. So this is the voice quality of DJI Mic Mini. So the test is done now. I hope you guys you like this video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.